Welcome to another MailerLite tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your MailerLite subscription and delete your account. All right. First up, go ahead and go to your MailerLite dashboard. Now, once you're in here, you're going to want to go to account settings. Just click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to go to plan and billing. Okay. Just click on it. And here you will see your active subscription. All right. All you have to do is just click on cancel subscription. All right. And after that, just go ahead and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Now, going back, if you want to delete your account, as you can see here at the very top, at the top left, you have your username right here. Just a quick note, if you cancel your subscription, your account will automatically be downgraded to the free plan. Okay. Do keep that in mind. Now, to delete it, just click on the drop down. If you have multiple MailerLite account, go ahead and select the other. Okay. If not, if you only have one, just click on new account right here. All right. Now in here, I'm just going to click on the three dots and hit on delete account. All right. And there will be a pop-up. Do you really want to delete your account? Just hit on delete. Wait for it to load. As you can see here, being redirected to the sign up and login page. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.